Bioremediation. It's a mouthful, but it's also an eco-friendly solution for environmental cleanup. Bioremediation is the use of microorganisms or their enzymes to clean up environmental pollutants. It's a sustainable and cost-effective approach to clean up contaminated soil, water, and air. Bioremediation can be applied to a variety of pollutants, including petroleum, pesticides, and solvents. Bioremediation is based on the natural processes of microbial degradation and plant uptake. Microorganisms have a diverse range of enzymes that can break down complex molecules into simpler forms that can be utilized by the cell. Bioremediation is a complex process that involves various biochemical reactions, microbial interactions, and environmental factors. There are several types of bioremediation techniques, including in situ and ex situ bioremediation, bioventing, biosparging, and bioreactors. Bioremediation has been applied to a wide range of environmental pollutants and industries, including petroleum contamination, heavy metal contamination, pesticide contamination, industrial waste, and landfills. Bioremediation offers several benefits compared to traditional remediation techniques. It's sustainable, cost-effective, versatile, and non-invasive. Bioremediation. It's a powerful tool for a healthier planet.